Hello friends, welcome back to another Genshin Impact fan art drawing video. Today I'm drawing Yae Miko. I really hope you can relax and calm down a bit with me. I'm setting up my drawing space with a Himalayan salt crystal candle holder. I think this one is super pretty. I also chose some gemstones to decorate my space and match the aesthetics of this drawing. I chose a rough rose quartz, a tumbled rose quartz, and a piece of raw amethyst that I found in northern Finland a couple years ago. I have another paper under my sketch because my table has a rough surface and the other paper will even it out a little. I have these beautiful washi tapes and luckily I had the perfect light pink spring theme tape with flowers. It will match this drawing perfectly. For pencils, I'm using Faber-Castell Polychromos and Caran Luminance pencils. My paper is white Fabriano Accademia, 160 grams per square meter. I will also be using my Derwent electric eraser, which is one of the best art supplies out there. I will also use a white gel pen for the details at the end. I know my setup looks all springy and light, but it's actually still full on winter here. Everything is still covered in snow and it's very cold. I wonder if your home area already has spring vibes. Let me know in the comments where you're from and how the weather is. I know talking about the weather is such a conversation killer for some people, but I actually always love to talk about it. And nature in general. I really like to share pictures with my friends from abroad and seeing how their home looks like and how the seasons change there. Well, back to Yae Miko. I was so excited to have this character in the game. I pulled on her banner but didn't get her. I lost 50-50 for Deluxe C2. It's okay though, I will pull for Yae Miko again once she gets another banner. I think she has one of the best designs in the game. To those who don't play Genshin Impact but are watching this video, thank you by the way. Yae Miko looks really sweet and charming and flirty, which she for sure is, but she's also quite cunning and maybe a bit mean at times. She's a kitsune, a sort of fox spirit from Japanese mythology. That's why she has these light pink fox-like ears. She also has an electrovision, which means she can use electric powers. I really like her animations in the game. So pretty. I think I will make a cosplay of Yae Miko in the future. There are a lot of characters in Genshin Impact that I want to cosplay though. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. My favorite part in this piece was drawing the hair. I rarely get to use so many light pink tones, and it was just so nice to create this soft flowy hair. Most difficult part, on the other hand, were most definitely all the teeny tiny details on her earrings and other golden accessories. Oh, and this drawing took about 7 hours to finish. I drew it on 4 separate days because I get tired quite quickly. So please remember that it's okay to take breaks. Take care of yourself, everyone. It's really inspiring for me to draw characters from Genshin. I will draw more of them in the near future too. I actually already drew Xiao, who was requested in the comments of my Shenhe video, but I haven't finished editing that video yet. I hope you look forward to it. Here you can see me skipping the neck accessory, which was a big mistake, because I was afraid of drawing it and wanted to do it later. Friends, don't run away from your responsibilities like me. Instead of immediately drawing the neck piece, it ended up being the last thing in my drawing, and I really didn't want to finish it. It took me some time to get enough courage to finally finish it. It wasn't even that difficult, so all the fear was just in my head. My tip for all of you who have difficulty drawing certain parts or areas is to think of your drawing as meaningless shapes instead of thinking about what the object actually is. For example, if you draw hair, you know that hair is individual strands, but in reality it doesn't look like that. So you have to look at your reference picture and figure out shapes of color from it, and do color blocking if that suits you. Maybe I could do a beginner tutorial on how to look at shapes in references and how to do color blocking. Let me know if you would be interested in that kind of thing. So, after adding some details with a white gel pen and signing the drawing, it's finished. Thank you so much for joining me. Let me know what you think. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet, and give this video a thumbs up. You can see more of my art adventures and some pictures of my daily life on my Instagram at Marjo Annika _arts. Thank you for visiting my home office once again, friends, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye!